This video is part of a three-part series showcasing three ways to share Google Docs with students depending on what you want them to do with it. Creating a Google Cloud assignment is a great way to push out a copy of a document for students to edit and submit for feedback in much the same way that you could make a copy for each student in Google Classroom. To begin with, I am currently building out a module for my students to use next week, and I now need to add a Google Cloud assignment. To do that, I'm going to go to the plus button and add an assignment. Since it's a new assignment, I will need to select new assignment and give it a name. Once you name it, if you so choose, you can also adjust the indentation of your resource depending on how you're organizing your modules, and then click Add Item. Once added, you can click into your resource. And once it's open, you'll see it's pretty blank. There's not a lot of information. So again, we'll need to go into the Edit Pencil button to change some of our assignment settings. At the top in the rich text space, you could add some directions or background information for your students, and then scroll down to adjust the points. And assignment group would tell you like whether it's formative or summative. And it's really the submission type that makes a Google Cloud assignment unique. So we're going to select external tool from the drop-down list, and we need to tell Canvas which external tool we want to use. In this case, it's going to be a Google Drive Cloud assignment. It will sync directly with your Google Drive so you can find any document that you have created for students to edit and modify to make their own before submitting it back to you. So find your document either by searching through your folders or by typing in the file name. And once you find it, click Submit, and then confirm that the external tool you want to use is the Google Cloud assignment. From there, you'll want to make sure that you set a due date so that you can save the assignment. And once you click Save, you'll be able to see how it appears to students. This time, instead of being a totally blank space, you'll see the document, and right above it, you'll see the text, "You've created a Cloud Assignment External Tool Submission type from your Google account. Students will receive a copy of the document that they can modify for their assignment submission," which is exactly what we want. So down below, you can see the document that I have uploaded. It is just kind of like a digital worksheet, and there are different cells and spaces for students to type in their information before they submit it to me. So they're able to edit directly in this document, but it's not my document. It's their own copy in their drive that they will be able to turn into me now that this copy has been pushed out to them. I do like to change the text color of spaces where students will be typing to help differentiate theirs from mine. Up here at the top is where students will be able to submit, and over on the right side, there will be a SpeedGrader button as soon as you receive those submissions.